Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see how to remove the hyperlink in the text in your Canva document or Canva doc on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to remove the hyperlink or how to remove the link inside the text, I just going to show in this video how to remove the hyperlink in Canva docs text document. So actually here I having a document and it shows the blue color which denotes that it have a hyperlink. So I just need to remove this. While just going to placing the cursor, it shows the link pop up. You just click this, you can just open the YouTube channel. This is my channel. I just pasted the link inside this. So now you just need to remove the hyperlink. For that, you just have this pencil icon on the top. You can see it's an edit link. Click this. So after clicking this, you can see two options like a copy and remove. You just need to click on the dustbin symbol which actually remove the link from the text completely. So this is how you just remove the hyperlink in your Canva doc on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, and if you have any comment doubt in your Canva docs, just comment below. And we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate. Be unique. Have a wonderful day.